It's Windrilla from Modpunk Design, Crafted, New Delhi. Gradually, we are inching towards the festivals, and Indian festivals. The time it starts is pretty warm and hot, so the months are quite warm and hot. Gradually, it goes to the winter months. So for this month, when Ganpati is just around the corner on 14th of September, and I'm having my exhibition from 12th to 18th of September at my own studio at Craft Adda, D for Delhi, 623 Chittaranjan Park, New Delhi 110019. And my phone number is always mentioned in the video, which is 9811538460. So today, let me start with some beautiful Puneri cottons, which actually have been started, making again in handloom in Nagpur. So these are called the Puneri cottons, and they have, so these saris have particularly been designed, and I have asked this lavish Rui full border, which I would showcase right now. So this is like, see this Rui full border, how pretty. See this, how pretty is this Rui full border. So these are the saris, and absolutely 100% cotton, 100% 80-84 count cotton. So this is there is a we have given a block print, and so the sari has a self weave, like the lines, you know it has these woven lines, and non mercerized cotton, very beautiful cotton. See the palla. So these are multicolors, and I have given a nice block print so that it highlights the sari in a very typical and a very traditional manner. This is a very, very traditional Maharashtrian color, where this green, their auspicious green, is so beautifully depicted in this sari. See, and these are the lotus leaf, when the veins of the lotus leaf, that is the hand block, when the lotus leaf, when the leaf, particularly the lilies, the water lilies and all, so these they the only the veins remain, so these kind of structure comes. So this this kind of uh, the leaf structure comes like that. So this is the palla. See how pretty, very, very nice palla, absolutely gorgeous palla. So this is the palla. So if you all are these are the block prints, these lines are block prints, the chevrons, and the rest of it are weaving. So that's the whole sari, and it's a very nice, tall, beautiful cotton sari, completely hand woven, I mean handloom weave. Please don't people are saying that the actually in Maharashtra, particularly in Pune, these all had gone to Palum and polyesters, but this is complete cotton, lovely cotton, and woven in Nagpur. Okay, Nagpur district. So this is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece, such lovely foliage. Can you see the number of foliages? So there are variety of motifs, these foliages full of these motifs, and this border runs all through. The border is so fascinating, so fascinating. These are all jacquard border, handloom jacquard border. So it's sari number one. So these are for 5600 plus shipping. 5600 plus shipping. Shipping depends upon where you stay. Outside India, outside Delhi, it is 200. It's 200, and within Delhi, it is by porter. Okay, so 5600 is the price. Such a lovely blue color. That one is green. See this blue color. See the number of colors this palla has, these lines, the number of colors, and nicely, weighted saris, in the sense that not very heavy, not very heavy. So these are multicolored palla, lovely colors on the palla, and you can wear bangles of these, combinations. So in the body, I have given a very nice, lovely block print, lovely block print in just one color. The body has this whole, the body has this block printed body. See the blue color, and the blue also has these kind of, dure, the horizontal stripes like this, very traditional of Puneri. And the border, see the border, again the Rui full border, very pretty saris. I love these Maharashtrian saris. Actually, I love Maharashtra cotton, the Vidarbha, Nagpur, that region, Bhandara. So I mean, there are cotton weave, which I just love of their uh, area. So that is the whole sari, very nice, simple and elegant. Very nice, simple and elegancy. And you can, I mean, you would just not feel like, removing these saris from the body. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So this is second one, and again those foliage blocks on the blouse piece, those foliage blocks on the blouse piece with this border. So the whole blouse, when you see where the where the sari with this blouse piece, how pretty it will look. See how pretty it will look. Okay, so again the same price, 5600. The third sari in this, that was kind of a uh, darkish towards navy. So this is a short color, this is a short color. So what I have given in this, the color is so attractive. It is the peacock mayurkanthi, the the peacock throat color. So the color is so attractive. I have not given any kind of body block, only I have given the borders as this 1 2 3. So it's tricone. In the tricone form the blocks have come like this. In the tricone form the blocks have come like this. So this is the palla. So the palla has this column type of represented blocks, this kind of blocks, beautiful blocks. So that's the palla, that is the palla. And see, so this one row has gone like this on the palla, and the rest of it is like this. So when you put the borders together, so this kind of get up you get. So this kind of get up you get. So this kind of three designs has, I mean the complete of the lower border has this patterns. So and the body is so beautiful that I have kept it plain, the color of the body. And this is the blouse. So these are the foliages, the same block as I have given to all the saris. So this is the blouse piece, that is the blouse piece block. Okay, I love to design saris in very various different forms. And see the color combination of the border, see the color combination of the border, so pretty now, so pretty. How beautiful I'm looking. All these saris would make anyone look so pretty. And it's when you wear these saris, you know what comfort you get out of it. So this is the blouse piece and that is the body. Okay, so sari number 3, sari number 4, this is purple color, this is a purple color body. And so what I have done in this, I have given the whole body of foliage, that foliage block I have given to the whole body. So this is the purple color body, and so this is the palla, this part is the palla. There are few of these blocks I have given like this, see. So that is the palla, and these foliage blocks are there all over the body. So this is like, there are 3 patterns, 4 patterns actually, 3 4 5 patterns in this foliages. So that's the body. The whole body has this. It's a red selvage with this rueful border. So the whole border, upper border and the lower border will look like this. Such pretty ones. These are such beautiful ones for Durga Puja and for the regular wear. Durga Puja festival is all for wearing new stuff, as well as any of these festivals are wearing for the new stuff. So this is another sari. So that's the whole body of the sari. That is the border. I have kept the blouse plain so that the blouse comes like this. So the body has this, so this is the blouse. Body has this block, so the blouse is plain. Okay, so that is another. And I think this is the last one. Total kitna hai? 6 5 5. And so that's the 5th of the. So this one has sparingly done this. This is also a very attractive color, jamuni, with the body has this short jamuni color with purple lines. Again another very attractive, and this is that wine, chocolate wine kind of a border. So that's another stunning piece. So that's the palla. So I have not done anything on the palla because the palla has multiple beautiful lines. So, and that's the body. So that is the body. So when you meet the 2 borders, it looks like that. The whole body has this Mughal butta, small Mughal butta. See how beautiful. It's very, very nice. And my smile only tells you that how attractive these saris are. So I love to create, I love to play with this fabric, with handloom, with such things, and also at a reasonable. I try to keep it at a within certain price limit so that everyone can enjoy these saris. And I get that feedback also from South India, from whoever are the sari wearing communities, from Bengal, so, then from from Orissa, from Gujarat side. So they all say that they are like they just love my creations, and I'm so so thankful and blessed to be part of that you know group. So that's the blouse piece, and that is the body. That is the blouse piece. Okay, lovely. All these are very very quickly they will go. So please book yours. There are two Mahesh Mangalgiri this weave which were available, which were there. So there are only two of these available. So these are woven in a very special technique, the missing checks technique, and that is the lower border, that is the upper border, and that is the palla. The palla is very very beautiful palla. Again another fantastic sari, and these are quite beautiful. So like this. So that's the sari. Beautiful Mangalgiri, very very nice, pure handloom cotton, and that's the blouse piece. So when you wear the sari, so this comes on your blouse. This is your blouse, and that is, yeah, I have learned this technique. I was not showing it like this, but then I learned from one seller lady, and she just was showing like this. So this actually gives a very nice look of the blouse and the body. Okay, so this one is there, and the another is not purple, this is mauve color. So these two sarees are also there, and baki rest of it, there were about 7-8 pieces in this which got sold. So these two colors are there. Lovely mauve color, beautiful mauve color, and the block print also looks so beautiful. These are the small block prints. So that's the palla, that is the palla. The whole body has this missing check getup, and so lovely sari, and lovely combination. That's the blouse. So let me hold the blouse like the way I am holding. I have learned to hold so that you understand the combination. So that is the body, this is the body border, this is the blouse piece. Okay, thank you so much. Please quickly select and go for it. Puja is just around the corner, not and all the celebrations rather. I keep saying puja because I'm so much of Bengali. Thank you.